I remember the first deal I put under contract, again, going into the multifamily business, not knowing anything, much less knowing anybody. I didn't come from a family that had money. I didn't have a brother I could go to or my parents. I put an ad in the newspaper and it just said real estate investors wanted with a phone number, and my phone rang off the hook. I raised like $700,000 in 6 months and did my first 2 deals. You can't duplicate it today. I don't think you can put an ad in a newspaper. Those classified ads are gone. But we have social media, right? Social media today for us brands us. It tells people who we are, what we do. Kevin, how about you? How do you use social media?
I think it's choosing your speed and consistency. When I say speed, choosing your lane in particular. Right now, I've been putting a lot of content out on LinkedIn just because our ability to identify ideal investor avatars is much clearer. You can sort people based on their job title, their location, how long they've been at the particular job for, and then from there extrapolate, okay, are they going to be an ideal investor candidate with the right income level to jump into a project? And just like any social media, it's consistency. You literally have to be posting every single day or on a very regular cadence. People have to know you, trust you, and the more they see you, hear you, and understand how you think, the easier it's going to be for them to have that commonality with you when you actually do get them onto a sales call. It coming from corporate sales, you hear it often where it takes 7 touch points. I heard recently that it takes 10 touch points, 2 hours of like audio time, and 5 or 6 other exchanges to actually build enough trust to truly be able to gain somebody into your network and then nurture them to the point where they could potentially want to invest with you. I was really slow to social media. I see the pros and cons of it very much, but if you use it as a tool as opposed to a distraction in your life, aka advertising what you're doing, showing people what you believe, allowing them to get insights into your life, it makes it much easier to take that step into raising capital from that network. Compared to if you come out of the blue, you just have a random phone call with somebody, they don't know you, they don't know about your background, they don't know about your experience. So social media is pretty much an essential at this point. Choose your LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, wherever your community is spending time, you want to be there more often.
Absolutely. And the other thing that's interesting about social media is what you're doing is you're branding yourself. Like you said, people need to get to know you, like you, love you, trust you. And you don't necessarily do that by just talking about the deal, right? Or just talking about multifamily or why multifamily, but talk about yourself. Tell your story.